Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into RBC Business Banking, secure access step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the RBC website. Locate the business section on the home page. Click on Business Banking from the drop-down menu. Find the login button, typically in the upper right corner of the page. Select the Business Banking option from the login drop-down. Enter your username in the designated field. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully in the provided box. If you're using a secure device and want to remember your login, check the Remember My Username option. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to verify your credentials. If your login is successful, you'll be directed to your RBC Business Banking dashboard. In case you forgot your username or password, click on the corresponding link to retrieve it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, make sure to navigate through the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consult the RBC support section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.